See, getting an award is always a great moment in everybody's life. It's like you're going to school, doing your studies throughout a year. Probably you fail, then again next year you go for studies and do something, and you pass out and get your report card with good grades. It's similar to that after getting all that heat and temperature and whatever you go through your life cycle of your business, entire business, and a recognition when you get awarded with a brand and a brand like Brand Academy, you feel honored and feel like working more harder, and then it's again getting a step ahead to get a greater award. I feel great getting an award like from Brands Academy.
What is it that you did?
Well, the business I'm in is not a very uncommon business, but yes, I've seen people selling T-shirts or garments or pens. What I noticed is precision, and what I felt the kind of business what I'm into is basically our job has a great role to play into it. It's like bringing other brands, big brands, closer to other customers' heart, and this is exactly what we are doing. Precision in doing our job to make the brand like brands like we work with brands like Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, and our job is to give them more creative ideas, present it in present a common product in a very uncommon manner, so it is presentable and brings the valuable brand more closer to their brands, and that's the reason in a short span of time we have been working with the top-notch companies in the industry right now. Snapshot, I'll just brief you about our business history and how about the industry. We are basically more into corporate giftings and corporate uniforms and merchandisings. We do like there are certain. I'll just give you an example of a automobile industry. It's like a brand called Volkswagen. We work a lot for them. They had a campaign called Volksfest. So we designed lots of merchandising for them. Then there was a brand called Skoda Automobiles. We had given them a particular, it's a mouse, normal mouse, what we had given them, but with a special feature in it that in case a customer buys a car and he has some problem in the vehicle, and the service center is not ready to handle the problems once, twice, thrice. So he can launch a complaint directly to the directors of Skoda India or Skoda Germany. The mouse had a button inside, center button, which with a click of a button, a complaint form opens, and he can launch his complaint. So we try to sell products in very unconventional way.